Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your website isn't ready yet, but you still want to build excitement, a comment zone page is perfect. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to add a comment zone page in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So go ahead, use your browser, look for Squarespace, tap on the login button, use your email address and password to access the website. Then we're gonna go back to home. As for now, we have this edit pages. We're gonna go all the way, tap on edit pages. We have the home page, check actions, donate. We have the marketing tools and all of this. So now we're gonna go all the way and add new page. Tap like this, add new page. We have multiple options here, including the services, about, contact, team, product, services, and all of this. Now, basically, tap on add blank if you want, then tap on page. We're gonna go to this page, this new page. Now it's your basically time to edit it. Add whatever you want here. You can even see the mobile version or the desktop version, depends on you. As for now, try to tap on edit here first. You can edit the site header. You can add section, tap on add section, for example. Then let's pick something with a text maybe. Or let's just go ahead and add a blank one. As for now, go ahead, tap whatever you want, edit section if you want to. Pick the background, pick the colors. Then tap basically a huge comment zone here. Background, colors, divider, first screen, you have the gap, row count, background again, colors, and every other detail. You can even remove it if you want to. Save section, arrange, add block, put a huge text here, for example. Okay, so go ahead and tap for. Okay, right here, tap whatever you want, comment soon. Okay, for example, we're gonna leave a small. Okay. Paragraph 2. Okay, let's put it in the middle. Try and do some changes, checkness. So basically it's your choice to do whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.